I'm here. It's the day for the opening day of Dr. Diabolicals Cliffhanger. It has been a year in the making. Finally adorned my backpack with these beautiful pins. Full an entire line all the way down here. It's crazy. Definitely it looks like, you said it was wrapping around, right?
Yeah, it looks like it goes all the way up to Thirsty Buffalo.
Oh my gosh. Might be waiting just a little bit to get in there, I think. Coming around this side, they're testing it already. There it goes, they got it running there. It's like so incredibly quiet. Right here, back behind the stage. They're getting ready. I think we got about 25 minutes left. We got the ride running back to back to back. There it is.
Woo! Hey, now it's starting to get that beat and rattle.
Get a little louder. Oh, they got a lot of fireworks ready. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 firework boxes ready to go. This is gonna be interesting. Way too hyped for this. The sign's looking really slick, sleek.
I love the sign.
New, it's beautiful. They got the music going.
No, this is a ceremony. The line wraps all the way around there.
I've only got about 40 minutes of comments, followed by lots of presentations and videos, so we'll be on about 5 o'clock tonight, if that's okay with everybody. Well, welcome to Six Flags Fiesta Texas as we celebrate our 30th anniversary. How many of you have been coming since 1992? How many folks have gone? Well, thank you all so much for your love, support, as we've gone through these 30 magical years together. Hopefully you've noticed all the great improvements that we've been making. More shade, more benches, better food, more landscaping, more guest amenities than ever before, painting our rides and attractions, just making your park look as spectacular as it can be for our 30th anniversary. And we know the best and biggest, most exciting days are still yet to come. We had our fantastic Mardi Gras event. How many of you guys were here for Mardi Gras, our big signature parade that returned this year? Awesome. We have the biggest Fright Fest ever in front of us with great new shows, haunted attractions, scare zones, bigger and better than before, and of course the most magical time of the year with the return of Holiday in the Park. But the biggest news of the 30th anniversary is a little ride known as Dr. Diabolicals Cliffhanger! This innovative attraction features a variety of world's firsts, including directly behind me, the world's first 95-degree beyond vertical drop. An imaginative cliffhanger hold where you will be held at the top looking face first, followed by an extreme Emmelman 270-degree G-roll, fun, mid-course big drop, overly banked turns, airtime hills, and a helixed finale. Are you guys ready to ride? Well, ladies and gentlemen, Six Flags Fiesta Texas is proud to present the most exciting attraction in the past 22 years. Cliffhanger! Uh-oh, why is there scary music? Oh, ladies and gentlemen, welcome, Dr. Diabolical!
Divulging more of my secrets, I see. Well, we meet again. Who's excited for the unveiling of my new machine? Wonderful. Now I'm sure you all know me, Dr. Diabolical herself. But have you met some of my favorite henchmen? Henchmen, come forth and say hello to all of our guests. Some of the first to ride my new fountain of youth machine. I'm glad you all are in line so early. A few of you are looking a bit rough. Are we all excited? What are you still doing here, Jeffrey? I'm confused. Is this called Dr. Jeffrey's Cliffhanger? Or Dr. Diabolical's Cliffhanger? And as I recall, Jeffrey, you're not even a doctor. Do you hear that? That's the sound of my machine powering up to keep you all young and youthful forever. Eternal life awaits you all. Climb higher and higher. Get that adrenaline pumping. Oh no! Some of you are looking a bit squeamish. Well, that's all right. You have nothing to be afraid of. I have all of your best interests at heart. After all, you have nothing to fear.
Diabolicals Cliffhanger. Welcome.
Yeah.
Hey, how's it going?
How you doing, man?
Nice to meet you. I'm
Yeah.
seeing videos and stuff.
Oh yeah, but getting the stage moved out pretty quick. They cleared it out in like less than 10 minutes, I feel like. Woo, backside view! Yeah. You get a really good view throughout the entire queue line, I think. So many like unique shots.
These tops for the shade are
Yeah.
from the bus structures out the front.
Oh my god, dude.
That's how clever Jeffrey
Okay,
is.
so this one and that one
Yeah,
are both.
both of them.
I would have had no idea. That is awesome.
That's how clever and reuseful
There
Jeffrey
you go.
is.
Insider knowledge right here. I would have never known that at all.
Yeah. You guys ready?
Oh yeah. It's getting a lot more real.
Please, you're ready.
Ready? Oh, this is so meta. You're filming me filming you. Oh man.
The metaverse is talking to us.
It's the metaverse. It's here. It exists. Mark was right. Mark Zuckerberg. Oh man. Maybe they're working with you over there. Wow. All these pictures.
Some of them are hard.
Those are nice.
Some of them are very hard. This one's mine.
It's lighting right here. How nice that is. Sounds like a Edison bulb.
I will advise you not to touch any of her collections. And not let her sets are moved. I will also remind you to keep all articles and limbs to yourself unless you want to leave them here. I'm just kidding. Just kidding. In just a few moments, you will hear from the doctor herself, and then you will receive your free sample.
Yeah, can't believe it. Are y'all here for the free elixirs?
Yeah, absolutely.
The free samples? Two? Make it a double. Heard that.
Welcome.
Okay, welcome. Come on in.
Thank you.
Your free elixirs are that way.
Thank you.
Yes.
So this is what Jeffrey's been
Please
hiding
fill
from us.
all available spaces in the room as quickly as possible.
Hurry now. Please stand away from the walls in the center of the room. Hello and welcome, beloved visitors. You must be so excited to finally meet me. Of course, I am Dr. Diabolical, the creator of the only product in the world of its kind, Dr. Diabolical Fountain of Youth Elixir. I know you're anxious to receive your sample. I promise you're just a few short moments away. And while we prepare the samples in the next room, prepare yourselves for newfound youth. Right! Tell our guests what my elixir promises to deliver. Dr. Diabolical's elixir promises to deliver absolutely magical results.
Ooh, magically devastating results. Please leave while you can.
The elixir is curated by Dr. Diabolical to uniquely treat each individual need.
You are all in grave danger. Please heed my warnings. Leave this place or it will be too late.
Move forward through the corridor. You will receive your elixir sample and your instantaneous results. Quickly now, there's no time to waste.
Oh, bookcase is opening.
This is just like
Center of the room. You must stand under the extractor.
Wow.
It's located above your head. Hurry!
There's so much to see. I can't even like get everything.
My extraction machine! Confused? Oh, you thought there was actually a miracle elixir? How sweet. There is an elixir of sorts. This torturous extraction device will rip your fear and adrenaline from you bit by bit. Your fear will feed my army of ravenous creatures. Robot! Turn on the machine.
Warning! Critical error!
My machine! You fools! You broke my precious machine!
Now's your chance! You must leave at once! The extractor mechanism is malfunctioning, and it appears to be broken.
The new, bigger extractor machine is ready for testing. What lies ahead will do the job of 100 extraction machines. Fear not! Actually, go ahead. Fear!
Get out of here! But why is no one listening? You're all going the wrong way! Do not become the machine!
That was amazing. That, oh my gosh.
Wow.
That amount of theming going into that thing is absolutely incredible. The animatronics, all of it. They got this whole locker system out here for anybody need to put their stuff away. All right, here I go. Fast, you're going up that hill incredibly fast, like you're going straight up there. There's no time to like build up, you know, you're just right on it. And then afterwards you come to the machine and pick up your stuff and it comes out on the other side. Yeah, I think that's it. All right, cool. Oh my god, there we are. You kind of exit through the gift shop. You got all kinds of things to check out here. You got cups, mugs, shirts of all kinds. You got just the regular Six Flags shirts over here. Ooh, I should have waited to get a cup over here too. Hey, what's up, G?
Sleazy.
What's up?
We just got off.
How's it go? It's the best ride at Six Flags Fiesta Texas right now, in my opinion. Man, there's so much to pick from too.
And then look at these glasses.
The glasses are nice. You got the shot glasses here. Love these.
Yeah.
Nice. Oh my god. I might have to come back for one of these. I like this one right here. That one looks good. That's pretty nice. What do you got here? All kinds of custom shirts, merch. Things you're only going to find in this gift shop in particular. Oh, you do got the Nano coasters. Our locker ticket here. I'm going to keep that. I'll keep that. I'll put it in my, I don't have a scrapbook. Maybe I should make one. I make one. I'm starting to build up a lot of like little papers and things, so I definitely need it. So I got a lot of people waiting here. Not as bad. There we go. We can barely see it. There we are. Yeah. There we did it. that concludes my day. Undoubtedly sunburned, even though I use sunscreen. Incredible dive coaster. The 95-degree drop, absolutely creme de la creme, whatever you want to call it. Jeffrey has made every single moment. Jeffrey, if you don't know, Jeffrey is the president of Six Flags. He has made every single moment and journey of this ride absolutely amazing. Come out to Fiesta Texas, don't miss the cliffhanger. I make many videos similar to this, so consider giving me a sub on my channel. Also, go check out my TikTok, where I post roller coaster news about theme parks all across the country. My TikTok is just Swizzy. You'll see the smiley face just like you see down on my channel here. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and with that being said, have a good day.